In the supervision, we use 7 types of techniques. If we discuss them, or we can, if we list them, these are observation, it is best technique. Apart from this, guidance and demonstration, checking records and reports maintained by the supervisee, conference and meeting, field visits and rounds, supportive supervision, and evaluation and feedback. So there are 7 techniques of supervision. Now we will discuss them one by one. First one is observation. In this technique, we just observe the supervisee while he is in action. Means he is or she is doing her or his work, we just observe. Directly observing the work of staff or students